Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at this ultralight gaming mouse from LTC. Now this is the model GM022 and we'll open this up, show you what you get in the box, as well as go over some of the specs. And I also want to show you how you customize the mouse on your computer. So let's dive into it. Now first off, I do want to say this is a triple mode connectivity mouse, so you can connect with the little dongle. It's a 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection. It's also Bluetooth, or you can connect it with the USB-C cable. Well, let's pull this open here. Now this one happens to be the purple color, but I also have one in yellow that I'll show you in a second, but we'll pull this open. So in here we've got our quick guide and shows you what the buttons are for key mapping, and then some charging information there on the back. And then we've got our docking station here. So our mouse just goes on here, which is handy. There's a USB-C port on the back. This plugs into your computer. And then there's actually a USB-A port here on the front, so you don't lose a port when you're doing that. On the bottom, we've got our lighting button for the RGB, as well as some pads so it doesn't slide around on your desk. This whole perimeter here has RGB, and I'll show you that once it's hooked up in a moment. It looks like there's some extra sticky pads for the bottom of the mouse. And then there's a braided style USB-A to USB-C cable that you can use to power your dock or the mouse separately as well. So we'll pull out the purple mouse here, and that's what it looks like there. Really lightweight. When they say it's ultralight, it's definitely ultralight. A little bit of a click to the buttons, the scroll wheel in the middle here. You can push that in as well. You've got some buttons on the side. USB-C port here on the front if you want to use it wired. So we've got a button here for your connection type. We've got a button here to select your DPI. So this does up to 26,000 DPI. It's also got 1,000 hertz polling rate, 650 IPS tracking speed, and 50G acceleration. And the little 2.4 gigahertz dongle is under here if you don't want to connect it via Bluetooth. So that's what that looks like. Tucks away inside. So as I mentioned, I do have the yellow version of this mouse as well, and I use that with my Surface Pro 9. Nice little colorful mouse there. So there's a few different colors available of this mouse. A couple other specs I did want to go over. These have the 80 million click switch in them, so they should be durable and long lasting for you. The battery is also a 400 milliamp hour battery for extended use. And again, you can charge it on the charging pad right there, so you don't have to put batteries in these either. So we'll plug in the dock so you can see what the RGB lighting looks like. So the other end of this cable is plugged into my computer, and the lighting starts up right away. It's around the whole perimeter here. Kind of a colorful blinking one there. A solid one that cycles through colors. Various colors that scroll back and forth. And then you can have it off. So nice little feature as well there. Looks nice on your desk with a little bit of RGB. And just a quick look at the magnetic charging dock as well. So there's some prongs on the bottom that match up with the prongs on there. And you can just pop it on like that, and the light will start blinking when it's charging. And there's a bit of magnet to it. If I go too far, it'll probably fall off, but nice for charging right at your desk. So quickly looking at the included software for this mouse, you can do a key assignment or key mapping here. So for each of the 5 buttons, you can select which one you like and make all sorts of changes, including DPI, plus and minus, multimedia, Word, Office, Windows management, switching effects, DPI lock, as well as disable each button. There's also a power usage here, so you know how much battery life is left, or power manager as well. And then you've got your DPI settings. You've got polling rate, mouse LOD height, debounce time, as well as mouse parameter. And back here at DPI settings, if I push the mouse button here on the bottom, I can actually scroll through which DPI I'd like. So you can see it scrolling through them all there. And we can also make an adjustment. So if we want all the way up to that 26,000, we can click on that and adjust the slider here all the way up to 26,000 and hit OK. And it's going to adjust that way up just like that. So it's a little fast for my liking, but I'm going to leave it on one of these ones here in the middle, but a lot of customizations for this mouse as well. So this is quite a nice ultra lightweight mouse. It's nice and big so it doesn't cramp my hand. And I think it's a great option, not only for gaming, but for everyday productivity and it comes in some really cool colors as well. So if you're looking for a mouse for your setup, I'd check out this LTC GM022 Ultralight gaming mouse.